Ready to open the door?
3, 2, 1. Hold up, Elijah.
All right, you both hold on to the string. Elijah, you have to hold on to the other string. 1, 2, 3. I think a balloon popped. And then it come down the way I pictured it.
Oh my god! But see what he sees that right now? He's gonna sprint.